What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I can't wait to get into today's video, dog. But first, man, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. So help your boy out, man. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow or my 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're giving them both away at the same time, man, and it's just about down to the wire, man. So get your hats while you can. We got wallets on the site, man. Buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Get your entry while you can. Meanwhile, man, you guys seen that ride yesterday with everybody sliding and glide, man. I think it was fun as heck. Met some supporters, met some more subscribers, man. It was really fun road with some different people, so that was cool. But you guys already know, man, I've been having my 2021 Road Glide back here with the paint set on the floor, wrapped up, patiently waiting to get assembled, man. We've been waiting on our 124 kit from Fuel Moto to pull up. I can't wait to see what type of power that's going to produce, man. So in the meantime, we're going to be unwrapping our paint set finally for our 2021 Road Glide, checking that thing out, getting it buttoned up, because the parts that I need to finish the bike, they're still in powder coat, and they might be done today or tomorrow, but I guess by the time they come back, it should be just about time to get those parts on there. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're about to get this 2021 ready to go with the 124 build, man. Let's get it. Oh man, these lovely things right here are gonna be out of the garage. It just brings so much red and black to the garage. I love it. I love the sound, but you guys already know it's time to bring a different color to the garage, man. We got our paint set here for our 2021. I'm about to start unraveling this for the first time, so I haven't even seen it. You guys are going to see it here with me first, so can't wait to check that out. Meanwhile, we got to get these bikes switched around, get this area cleared out, and get it going, man. Alrighty, we got our 2021 pulled out. It actually looks a lot more organized now with this one being over here. So I could only imagine this bike and that bike complete. Now we're waiting on our parts from Antonio. We should be picking them up either today or tomorrow, rather, for those. So we're just gonna focus on this, get this thing as complete as we can get it, and go for it, man. So let's take all these parts and stuff apart. Not parts, but paper off the parts, and check this paint out, man. Can't wait to see what this thing really look like. Just like that, guys, here we are for the very first time. Oh man, look at that. That looks really good. Looks really nice. Look at that color. It's like a blue and purple. It looks really good. Oh man, I can't wait. Look at our dash pieces. So that's gonna look really nice. Really nice. Can't wait. Can't wait. We got the gray like speaker covers. Those look really nice. See them better that way. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking about it so far, man. And we got our little blue trim piece here. Looks good. I can't wait to get this bike assembled. Just want to show you guys first. Got that front fender up there hidden. Whew, that thing hidden. Little filter for the bottom. I see side cover and stuff. Now, we're not even gonna touch our forks today because we're doing something different with our forks. So our tins is blue like the other parts, but we're just gonna leave them in there until we actually get to the forks. So we'll see what's up. Meanwhile, we gotta start assembling from the back to the front, or pretty much that's usually how we do it. Meanwhile, we don't have our little piece that goes over this that holds on our bags and all that stuff. So we'll get the fender on, we'll get our side covers on, we'll get our gas tank on. Now I gotta switch, like I said, I gotta take out these fork legs, but I might just end up doing it twice just for the sake of the video. And then our neck piece up here is bent, so we got to take everything off up here anyway, man. So let's get this thing going and see what we can get done today, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to get this 2021 124 on the road, dog. And just like that, after finding the screws that we gave Antonio, I guess he took them off, but we got our rear fender on there. It does look really good. It's actually starting to flow already now. Like I said, I don't have these little parts that go over here or else we'll be there. But in the meantime, we can throw our side covers on here, get our saddlebags on, and then not even on, but we can throw our side covers on there right now, and then our gas tank, so we can probably get that out the way. Or I think I'm gonna wait on the gas tank and do this front notch first. But first things first, man, let's get them bags situated so we can get them done and out the way. But so far, so good. Just like that, guys, we got our rear fender on there, looking all good. Come over here, we got our bags together, looking all nice, looking really good. Now I wish the blue would have went up a little bit higher, but all in all, looks really fair. Now trying to see, we can get our side covers on real quick. Got those on there real nice and easy. Yeah, I swear this thing is like coming together faster than I thought, actually. Next things next, man. We got to get this neck piece off in order to put the inner and outer fairing on. So I'm gonna try to find that little piece real quick and see if Harley out here or somebody got it, so we can go buy that and swap that out when we put this new colored fairing, well, inner fairing on. So let's see if Harley got a piece for us. We did call Harley, the one that we usually go to. They don't have it, but they literally only got one out here at the Henderson location. So we are on our way to Harley fast and doing a dash with me and Mama on the gas right now, trying to go get this piece so we can at least try to get that fairing on there today and just knock that out. So when we do get the rest of our parts, it'll be like smooth sailing. We'll have like a certain amount of stuff to work on. So let's get up to Harley and get that part, man. Just pulled up to Harley. We're about to get this part and get back to the Grizzly. Up. Come on, Mama, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. How you doing? Good. All right. Great. Parts. This way, Mama. Let's go. You like the motorcycles? Hey, quiet. Come on. We got our part, but we're looking at this 2021 with the CVO wheels on it. Those CVO wheels on this special looks really good. Bye. And they got it here at Henderson. Then we did just make it back to the house. This is the part we needed. We got that. So now we can start working on the front end and getting that thing situated and changed out, man. I can't wait. Let's probably turn this thing around and get it situated. Just like that, guys, we got our fairing off. Now you guys see the neck piece, just like I thought, was bent. So not too bad of a bend. So we'll get this taken care of and switched out real quick with the new one here. And then after that, we'll be pulling our inner interfering down from up there and getting this switched over. Once we get this switched over, it'll be that much more complete. So let's get the job done and see how this thing is gonna look, man. Can't wait. What you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. All right, man, a lot of just little stuff, minor stuff, but here we have it. Our 2021 with the color matched inner fairing. You guys can barely see it. I'll have to put it in the sun. This light ain't even helping it do justice, but we got the all blue in here looking good. Now I'm about to put on these doors really quick right here. Once we seal that up, we'll put the front light back on and get that front end together, see what else we can get done. Throw our gauge and stuff on there and go from there, man. I can't wait. This thing is moving. Now that we got that out the way, it's gonna be a lot easier pushing through. So let's keep going. Alrighty, guys, we are finally starting to look like something here, man. Finally starting to look like something. We got our inner on there, all buttoned up, good to go. Oh yeah, I gotta get the keys on there, but we'll check it out in the sun in just a sec. I gotta get this gas tank pretty much together real quick. Then we'll slap that on there and then probably slap the front fender on there and pull it out, man. So last little adjustments, but we'll get it going. Alrighty, guys, man, we wasn't even really trying to put the bike like all the way together today, but we did get a lot of stuff done. I ain't gonna even hold you. Here's our 2021 Road Glide Special in the bluish, like it's called Blurple, and the Blurple in gray. Like I said, we can't put on our bags because we don't have the little bag support, saddlebag support. It goes right here on both sides, so we'll be getting that back tomorrow. But does look really good. Paint flows really nice. Looks really excellent. Now I gotta get some new speaker pods for this one because the holes for the windshield are like totally gone. It's only one of them there, so I can't even put the windshield on just yet. If we take a look down here, this piece is broke. Now I do have another one on order right now, so that should be here in a couple days, as well as our colored tins aren't on with our different colored forks. So this whole it might look complete right now, but it's literally going to look totally different. Sliders are going to be different, forks are going to be different, rims of course are going to be different. We got to get a crash bar, but this is a good start. We got our inner fairing on there. Our color match inner fairing looks really good. Love that color. We got the gray speaker covers there. Then we got the blue dash. Everything up here looks really great. Nice gas tank with the fade and everything. I'm digging it. I am digging it, man. What do you guys think about it so far? Just boy know in the comments below. I wish we can put our bags on, man. I wish we can put our bags on. These things look so sexy. So sexy and good. But we'll be done soon. Like I said, we got our sliders there. So just about done putting this bike together. It does look really good on the rear end. Look at that rear fender. Just looks oh so sexy. Oh so sexy. Can't wait, man. And then I know you guys seen FedEx pull up. Here's our 124 kit for our 107. So we can actually load this bike up real quick, drop it off at Harley, along with these parts here. We're probably going to be missing a pipe, but we should be able to get that done before then. I don't know. We'll see what we're going to do. But the 2021 is just about being done, being put together. We did everything we could do on the bike. We're waiting on our exhaust to come. We got some D&D exhaust, so can't wait to switch those out along with our 124 kit. Thing is going to look excellent. We got some action up here. Yes, sir. We got action. Now, I doubt if it starts, seeing as we got like little to no gas, but we can check it out. Yes, sir. We got a little bit of gas up in here, y'all. That little stock pipe ain't gonna cut it, man. It ain't gonna cut it. But just like that, this thing is back running. It's time to get this thing loaded up and took in a Harley, man. We're gonna see what's good. And now that we do know that thing runs and shines up real nice, man, we gotta get this garage together because it does look horribly dirty and horribly like unorganized, man. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, get this show on the road, reset, and go from there, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide special back there, Black Widow, or my 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide, man, all you gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, purchase anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are giving them both away at the same time, man, so I can't wait. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So the choice is yours. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now if you want a Harley for a freaking price that's probably cheaper than your phone bill. In the meantime, you guys seen we got our 2021 assembled finally. Now it's definitely not the final stage. This is pretty much like phase one for it. We're waiting on our stuff to get down powder coat, and we should be going out there tomorrow to pick it up, as well as we're waiting on our paint set for our 2017 Candy Red thing, man. So we'll see what we can do. Meanwhile, I'm probably about to load this thing up, take it off to Harley so we can get our 124 kit going. So hopefully by the end of this week, everything should be wrapped up, man. So I can't wait to get this show on the road, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.